Hey, what's up Polygon holders? So in this video I will discuss you my brother the latest price prediction of Polygon and what we need to do, sell, hold or buy, everything. It's gonna be very important for Polygon holder, so must watch this video and take a good profit my brother, just and only if you follow this channel. So subscribe this channel, so just and only I will give you 100% guarantee to you will never lost. So just click the red button, man. Alright, this time the price of Polygon is 1.04 USD dollar. It's a very cheap price my brother, absolutely the price is very cheap, and they already hit 1.9 USD dollar. It's near my brother 2 USD dollars, so that's a great opportunity my brother, so you will take a very good profit and just in only in a very short time. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a very huge profit now my brother. Absolutely the change occurring is going to be very good now. Remember my brother, so this is not a financial video, absolutely I just give you advice and take any decision. Please, if you take any decision, then just in only research personally, and after that take a risk and get a very good profit. The last 1 hour profit absolutely very good my brother, plus 0.09%. The last 1 day profit plus 3.06%, and the last 7 days 17.08%. so this is a great opportunity my brother, and definitely from in upcoming 2 days my brother, absolutely 70% chance my brother, so they will move upward more and more. So if you just only invest for a short time, I am 100% sure they will give you a very good profit. So don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit in a very short time. Polygon is not a stable coin my brother. Sometimes they will fail down from 2 USD dollar to 1 USD dollar, and sometimes they will fail down from 1 USD dollar to 0. Oh my goodness, it's a very bad my brother, but this is not a stable coin. So if you have any plan to invest for a long time, so I think you will be going wrong now. Don't take a risk for a long time, just and only take a risk for a short time. Invest today and sell tomorrow, just and only my friend. In 24 hours get my friend millions of profit now. So why you miss this chance? This is not a motivational speech, I will just advise you my brother, not a financial video, and I hope you understand something new. Just for my friend profits, you follow this channel, you subscribe this channel, and I hope you will never lost. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.